All right there, everyone. Greetings, greetings, greetings. So here before you are some things that we know inside of the home theater. This one right here is my line conditioner. We all know, or we should know, that any and all of your products have to be plugged up for as far as your projector, your amplifier, your subwoofers, and so forth and so on. And in the pursuit of trying to identify clean power, we buy these things right here, or these things right here, or something like this. Okay. All these products you see here, I spent my own money and I'm testing them out right here in front of you so you can see, hey, what's the quality of why we need to have it. Now, I'm doing this video for two reasons. One, if this works, I now have to have one in the front of the room and one in the back of the room, which means I have to buy another one of these if it works well. Now, clean power, according to those meters over there, should be anywhere in the range of at least 75 or below. So I'm going to identify what the number readings are from each one of these and show it to you. And do a test in front of you to let you see what works and what doesn't. Stand by. So, according to the videos I've been watching online, I'm sitting here and I'm looking at this meter and it's giving me a reading. Let me see if I can get this right. Okay, of 1953 and millivolts of static noise. Listen to that. Now I'm going to take this and plug it into all the different ones. So stand by for me. So here we go. As you can see that the light is on. I plugged this one up. I'm going to plug it into the digital side. Let me hit the power. Okay. Now, with my Monster power conditioner, it's giving me 517. So I'm still a far cry from 75 to 50. But still, very good for what it's doing in reference to identifying my millivolts. Let's see what else it does. Okay, so now I'm plugged into this one called Lightspeed. And as I'm looking at it, this one is giving me 1,393 millivolts. So nowhere near good. Now some might say that it might be my meter. This is why I have a second one. I'm going to put it on the digital side. That was on the analog side. And here we go. The digital side and the analog side. So they both reading over 1,000. This one right here is at 1916. And this one here is at 1393. But still, a far cry from 75. Okay. So now I'm inside of this one here, and I'm on a filtered side, non-filtered side, and a filtered side. And still, both of them are above 1,000. Houston, we got a problem. So, after looking at the meters and identifying that I have a problem with not just the pieces of equipment themselves, the Monster does very good at conditioning the power. These other two don't do so well at conditioning the power. And when I contacted the manufacturer, they was just like, please check your source. So my source, I went out to my panel and I identified that, it's the same, 1996. So they recommended that I go get one of these guys right here. Now I need to identify if it works or if it doesn't work. So I'm going to plug it in to the plug itself raw from the wall and see what number I can get from off of it. They also were kind enough to send me this here product that is supposed to get hooked up to my power box. So I will now, instead of what my electrician had installed in all of the outlets inside the house, okay, or inside my theater room, I'm now going to have this that's going to furnish the whole house and seeing what it does. So as you can count this as my before and after. So stand by. I'm going to set it up and see what it looks like with this portion right here only. See what numbers I got. And if you don't remember, it said 1,996. So just in case you forgot, I did say it, but I'm going to show it to you, let you see it. Plugging this in. It's telling me 1,981 millivolts, which is definitely not good for your amplifier as well as your projector. But now I just plug in their little box, and according to the instruction, they say plug this back in and see what happened. Now look at that. What this little box did right here, okay? And now lowering, whatever it did, it took it down to at least 650. So it's almost the same as the Monster over here. So I'm kind of liking that already, because again, this little thing here is a lot cheaper than getting one of those things over there, and as bulky as it is. However, it's still not getting me close to what my goal is. In this room, I need to have the millivolts at least 100 and below. That's where I'm looking for my target to be at. But this is getting me close. So here's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to try this box inside of that one over there and see if I can get it even lower. Stand by. All right there, ladies and gentlemen, the last thing I'm going to do real quick before ending out this here video. So now you see I've hooked up that little black box. I've now hooked this one up here to the little black box. Okay, and then into the power source from the wall. Okay, from where the amplifier is going to be plugged at. If you remember, this one here was in the 700 range. Okay, I'm now going to plug in the meter right here in front of you and let you see exactly when this, which was the best out of all the other ones that I had, okay, for the line conditioner, hooked up into this little black mystery box, I want to call it. Okay, hey, see what happens. I'm at 466 millivolts. Getting close. So now I just got to figure out whether or not that box is going to do even better, because they again said this box at your source along with this box, I should be able to meet my goal of at least 100 millivolts or less inside of my environment to keep the signals clean and pure to my equipment. So until the next time, see you when I see you.